Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Hasham Ali Khan. So last video I have completed 5 problems on agricultural income. So how to compute the tax liability according to the provisions of Income Tax Act on agricultural income. Explanation I have given in the theory video. Then last video 5 problems we have solved. So if you join in between, you may not be able to understand. So my suggestion, watch the first theory video, then first video on problems where 5 problems I have solved. That is very important. So if you have not watched, go to the playlist of my channel, select the subject advanced aspect of income tax. Watch the first 2 videos on agricultural income. Then you can watch this video. Before starting the video, I expect my viewers to have a printout of the problems which I have given in the link under my description. So take a printout, keep it ready and start watching the problem. Take a screenshot of the solution of 6th and 7th problem. Then I'll explain all the points of the problem. Come on viewers, see the 6th problem. Dr. L. Narayana is owning 10 acres of agricultural land. The SSC is Dr. L. Narayana. He is the owner of 10 acres of agricultural land. He gave 6 acres of land on lease and rent received is 90,000. The rent received from agricultural land is an agricultural income. So he has leased out 6 acres out of 10 acres. And from that 6 acres of leased land, he got the rent of 90,000, that is agriculture. In the remaining land, sugarcane is grown. That means out of 10 acres of land, 6 acres he has leased out. And remaining 4 acres, he is doing some agricultural activity. He has grown sugarcane. He sold the sugarcane and received 4,25,000. This is the revenue received by selling the agricultural produce. It is agricultural income. He claims the following expenses as deduction. Purchase of seeds 75,000, fertilizer 90,000, labor charges 1,50,000 and power charges 26,000. So Income Tax Act says any expenditure incurred to earn the income will be allowed as deduction. So for growing this sugarcane, the SSC has incurred some expenditure. So deduct all expenditure from the revenue. Revenue is 4,25,000. From 4,25,000, deduct all expenses 75,000, 90,000, 1,50,000, 26,000. Then we will get the revenue from agriculture. So he is having a rent from agriculture. He is also having revenue from agriculture. And both are agricultural incomes. Calculate tax liability if his income from other sources is 13,65,000. This is non-agricultural income, 13,65,000, and wants to claim tax rebate of rupees 12,500. The SSC wants to claim 12,500 as tax rebate. Then we should say whether he is eligible for getting this tax rebate or not. 1 point. Tax rebate will be allowed only for lower income group people. Lower income means if your income is up to 5 lakh. If your non-agricultural income is up to 5 lakh rupees, then only tax rebate will be given. If your income from non-agriculture is more than 5 lakh, you are not eligible for tax rebate. Here the SSC's non-agricultural income is 13,65,000. It is more than 5 lakh. Then we will say to L. Narayana, SSC, you cannot get a tax rebate because your income is more than rupees 5 lakh. That's it. So first of all, I am computing the income from cultivation of sugarcane. Income from cultivation of sugarcane. So computation of tax liability, Dr. L. Narayana Rao, sale of sugarcane 4,25,000 given in the problem, revenue received on selling the sugarcane. From this we deduct all expenses, seeds purchased, fertilizers purchased, labor charges paid, power charges paid. All these are the expenditure incurred. Take the total 3,41,000. Deduct 4,25,000 minus 3,41,000. Income from cultivation 84,000. Income from cultivation of sugarcane 84,000. To this we add rent received on leased agricultural land. 6 acres of land he has leased out for agricultural purpose. So rent received on that 6 acres of land is an agricultural income. So how much rent received? 90,000. Take the total. 1,74,000 is the agricultural income of this SSC. So agricultural income 1,74,000. Non-agricultural income 13,65,000 given in the problem. Now the conditions are satisfied for clubbing because his agricultural income is more than 5,000 and non-agricultural income is more than basic exemption limit of 2,50,000. Here the age is not given, so we assume the SSC is a non-senior citizen. So basic exemption limit 2,50,000. Now step 1, tax on total income. Total income means add up 1,74,000 plus 1365. So total income is 15,39,000. We calculate the tax. Slab income rate tax up to 2,50,000. First slab income is 2,50,000. No rate, no tax, nil. Second slab goes from 2,50,001 to 5 lakh rupees. Second slab from 2,50,001 rupee to 5 lakh. The income is 2,50,000. The rate of tax is 5%. So 2,50,000 into 5%, 12,500. The third slab goes from 5 lakh 1 rupee to 10 lakh. From 5 lakh 1 rupee to 10 lakh. So income is 5 lakh. Income is 5 lakh. The rate of tax is 20%. Third slab. 0%, 5%, 20%. So 5 lakh into 20%, 1 lakh rupees is the tax. Now balance. After 10 lakh, whatever balance is there, 30% is the rate of tax. Over 10 lakh. Over 10 lakh rupees income, 30% rate of tax. What is the total income here? 15,39,000. So 15,39,000 minus 10 lakhs. First 3 slabs 10 lakh. 250 plus 250 plus 5 lakh, 10 lakh. So 15,39,000 minus 10 lakh, you will get 5,39,000. 30% of 5,39,000, 161,700. Take the total 2,74,200. So 2,74,200 is the tax on total income. Now second step, tax on exempted income. Exempted income means agricultural income plus basic exemption limit. How much is the agricultural income? 1,74,000. How much is the basic exemption limit? 2,50,000. So 174 plus 250, 4,24,000 is the exempted income. On this exempted income, how much is the tax? Same slab income rate tax. Up to 2,50,000, income 2,50,000, nil. Then over 2,50,000. From 2,50,001 to 5 lakh, second slab. But our income is not going up to 5 lakh. Our income is only 4,24,000. So I am taking balance. I am taking balance. So 4,24,000 minus 250, you are getting 1,74,000. On this, the slab is 5%. So 174 into 5%, 8,700. 8,700 is the tax on exempted income. Now income tax is equal to tax on total income minus tax on exempted income. Tax on total income 274,200 minus 8,700. You will get 2,65,500. So we got the income tax 2,65,500. From this we have to deduct the tax rebate under section 87A, but the SSC will not get a tax rebate, nil. Why he will not get tax rebate? Because his non-business, non-agriculture income is more than 5 lakh. So after completing this solution, you must give a note in examination. The SSC will not get a tax rebate under section 87A because his non-agricultural income is more than 5 lakh. If it is up to 5 lakh rupees, tax rebate will be given. More than 5 lakh rupees, tax rebate will not be given. So, nil. Surcharge. The surcharge will not be applied because his income is less than 50 lakh. Surcharge will apply only if the total income is more than 50 lakh. Here less than 50 lakh. So no surcharge. Then health and education says 4% of 2,65,500, 10,620. So ultimately, finally, the tax liability of the SSC is 2,76,120. That's it. This is the end of problem number 6. Now, 7th problem. Mr. Ananta Reddy, super senior citizen. Super senior citizen means a person who is 80 and above, whose age is 80 years and above. He is called super senior citizen. For super senior citizen, the basic exemption limit is 5 lakh. Non-senior citizen 2,50,000. Senior citizen 3 lakh. Super senior citizen 5 lakh. So here Ananta Reddy, super senior citizen, is using his agricultural land for producing salt by flooding the land with seawater and earned 3 crore 14 lakh 20,000 as income. This Ananta Reddy SSC, he is having some agricultural land. On agricultural land, he is making salt by flooding the seawater. By flooding the seawater, he is making salt. And by selling the salt, he got 3 crore 14 lakh 20,000. Now Income Tax Act says, producing salt by flooding the seawater is not an agricultural activity. It is related to land, but it is not agricultural activity. The land is not used for agricultural purpose. Then this income is non-agricultural income. It's a business income. Then how do you treat the income, determine his tax liability? So we'll give the conclusion. We conclude that this income is a business income. It is not an agricultural income. Then we have to calculate the tax liability on the assumption that his income from all other heads is nil. Assuming that he don't have any other income, only this much income. That is 3 crore 14 lakh 20,000. This is the only income he is having by producing salt. So here I have written, the income earned by producing salt by flooding the land with seawater is a business income, non-agriculture income. We cannot treat it as an agriculture income. It's a non-agriculture. Now total income 3 crore 14 lakh 20,000. Now we calculate the tax liability, slab income rate tax. The basic exemption limit for super senior citizen is 5 lakh. Up to 5 lakh, no tax. So up to 5 lakh rupees, income is 5 lakh, nil. The next slab goes from 5 lakh 1 rupee to 10 lakh. 5 lakh 1 rupee to 10 lakh. The income is 5 lakh. The rate of tax is 20%. See here, we don't have 5% slab. 5% slab is there only if the income is less than 5 lakh. If the income, taxable income is more than 5 lakh, then 5% will not apply. Directly 20%. So 5 lakh, 20%, 1 lakh. Now over 10 lakh rupees, to any extent, over 10 lakh rupees, whatever income is there, it is taxed at a flat rate of 30%. 30% is the rate. So here I am taking balance. So total income 3 crore 14 lakh 20,000. From this 3 crore 14 lakh 20,000, I am subtracting 10 lakh. 5 lakh plus 5 lakh, 10 lakh. So 3 crore 14 lakh 20,000 minus 10 lakh. You will get 3 crore 4 lakh 20,000. On this 3 crore 4 lakh 20,000, 30% is the tax. So calculate 30%, you are getting 91 lakh 26,000. This is the tax. 91 lakh 26,000 is the tax. And 1 lakh, add up 1 lakh. So 92 lakh 26,000. The tax on total income is 92 lakh 26,000. To this, we add a surcharge. Tax rebate will not be applied. Tax rebate will be applied only if the total income is 5 lakh. Up to 5 lakh. Here it is in crores. Tax rebate will not be allowed. Only for lower income group people tax rebate is there. He is a rich fellow. So no tax rebate. Directly we add surcharge. Now surcharge, we have different rates depending on the total income. Up to 50 lakh rupees, no surcharge. Up to 50 lakh rupees total income. If the total income is up to 50 lakh, no surcharge. Over 50 lakh, up to 1 crore. Over 50 lakh, up to 1 crore, the surcharge is 10%. Here I have written for your information. If the total income exceeds 50 lakh, up to 1 crore, 10% is a surcharge. If the total income is over 1 crore but up to 2 crore, over 1 crore but up to 2 crore, it is 15%. If the total income is more than 2 crore up to 5 crore, 25%. If the total income is more than 5 crore, 37%. This is the surcharge rates. In our problem, what is the total income here? 3 crore 14 lakh 20,000. That means it is more than 2 crore but up to 5 crore. More than 2 crore and up to 5 crore, the rate of surcharge is 25%. So 25% I am adding. Surcharge 25% of 92 lakh 26,000. 2306,500. Add up. 1 crore 15 lakh 32,500. To this, health and education says 4%. So 4% of 1 crore 15 32,500, 4 lakh 61,300. Take the total, 1 crore 19 lakh 93,800. This is the tax liability. That's it. So up to 50 lakh rupees of total income, no surcharge. Over 50 lakh rupees, up to 1 crore 10%. Over 1 crore up to 2 crore 15%. Over 2 crore up to 5 crore 25%. Over 5 crore total income, the surcharge is 37%. That's it. So in this video, I have explained two problems, 6th and 7th. Inshallah, we'll continue in the next problem in the next video. But before that, I want to declare that I have started a new channel by name Khan's Accounting Institute. This is the name of my new channel. In this channel, I am uploading the videos for IGCSE students. Those who are pursuing Cambridge or Edexcel, for them, this channel I have prepared specifically. You too can watch. They are very knowledgeable videos. So visit my channel, Khan's Accounting Institute, and do subscribe that channel also. Inshallah, we'll continue the next problem in the next video.